Hello, welcome to my video on how to use Zoom. In my previous video, I showed how to create a Zoom account. In this video, we are going to look at how to schedule a meeting or host a meeting and also explore the various features which are available in Zoom. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to use the Safari browser to access the Zoom website. I do have the app installed, but I'm not going to use it now. So the first thing, search for the website zoom.us. Now here it takes you to a page where you see only join a meeting, host a meeting, or sign in. So just sign into your account that you have created. You can save the password. You're signed in now, and now you have these three options: schedule a meeting, join a meeting, or host a meeting. So we will be looking at scheduling a meeting. Click on schedule a meeting, and then you can give a title or topic for discussion in your meeting, or you can just give a name for the meeting. You can also give a description for your meeting, which is optional, and then you can set the time. You can also type in, like, just get inside the box here and type in 8:15, and then you click on this. If you do not click on it, it will go back to 8 p.m. So just make sure you get inside there, and then you click on this small box here. That's it. You have two options: generate automatically or personal meeting. You can explore these. Personal meeting is what I have selected. You can tick this, waiting room. After that, video host off. So the moment you join the meeting or start the meeting, your video is going to be off. Also, the participants are going to be off. Meeting options: enable join before host. Do you want your participants to join before you? You can tick this off as well, or you can keep it on. It depends on how you prefer it. And then you save it. You can also edit the same meeting by clicking on edit this meeting, in case you wish to make more changes. For example, maybe you might want to record the meeting automatically on the local computer, and then you click on save. You can now send a reminder or save it as an event on your calendar. So add it to your calendar on Google Calendar. If you're using Outlook Calendar, you can add it there, or maybe Yahoo Calendar. So I will just try out the Google Calendar. When you add it to your Google Calendar, make sure that you are signed into the same email ID which is registered on Zoom. This is my ID which is registered. Then you can allow access. You already gave Zoom access to allow. If you wish to send this reminder to others, you can add their email ID here, and then you can save it. That's it, and here in the calendar it is saved. Let's go back to Zoom now. You can also invite your participants by just clicking on copy invitation. You can click on copy meeting invitation, and then it will copy the entire text. After that, you can close it and then go to your email, and there you can compose the email and send it to all your participants. You can just copy paste it here. You can put this as the subject, and then you can just send the email. Add all the email IDs of the participants, and that's it. You can also copy paste the invitation on WhatsApp, and that's it. After inviting all the participants via email or WhatsApp or any other way, you can close this tab and you can continue with whatever you're doing. And when it's time for your meeting, you can come here and search for Zoom, and then you can click on my account on the right side here, and it will take you to your profile. And then on the left hand side you can see meetings, and here you can see all the scheduled meetings. So you can click on start. So we will look at this meeting at 8:15 p.m. and start meeting, allow, and it will open this particular window. Here you can also invite more people by copying the link, and you can paste it in email or WhatsApp. After that, you have options here which are audio settings. You have various options over here. Then you have the video options. You have an option to choose virtual background, and you have more video settings as well. After that, we come to participants, and here you can again invite more people. You can invite them via email or by just copy pasting the link. For example, I will go to email and just enter the email address of the person you wish to invite, and the invitation will be copied automatically, and just send the invite. That's it. Coming back to this window, now we will see how to add the participants here. Now I can see a pop-up here. User has entered the waiting room for this meeting. See waiting room, or you can directly admit the participants. So I will click on see waiting room, and on the right side I can see how many people have already joined the meeting and they are waiting for you to admit them. My video is disabled, which is here, host, that's me, and I can admit the user. So all the participants who are waiting will be seen over here. So I have added the user. The next thing is the chat option. You can type a message for everyone, or you can select who you want to chat with. You can also share files by clicking on file option. You have other options as well here. And that's it about chat. The next option is to share your screen. Now you have other options as well. So we click on advanced options. How many participants can share at the same time? One participant can share at a time, or multiple. Who can share? Only host. I will say all participants. Who can start sharing when someone is sharing? Only host. So you can select this as in how you want. That's it. After that, click on share screen if you are the one who is sharing the screen, and then you have various options over here. I will click on desktop, and I need to give access to Zoom, so I will open system preferences. I'm using a MacBook. Click on here, quit now. That's it. It should be fine. And now I'm sharing my screen. And now I will open a document here, and this is the particular document that I'm sharing. In fact, my whole screen is being shared with my participants. And you can see the various options which were at the bottom. You can see them up here. Your participants can also share their screen with you, and they can also annotate on the screen. And you have other options here as well. Well, that was about scheduling a meeting and sharing your screen and all the other options which are available on Zoom. The next thing is join a meeting. Joining a meeting is very simple. Just click on join a meeting. You can go to the app or the website here and just type in the meeting ID that is being shared with you, and then click on join, and then it might ask you for a password. That's it. The next thing is host a meeting. When you go for host a meeting, you have an option with video off, with video on, share screen only. So we will go for an option with video off. So when you host a meeting, you can start a meeting that has already been scheduled here, or you can start a new meeting. And then you can follow the same procedure the way you did in schedule a meeting. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.